slightly different from the first one. Now this one has a overall division. Now there's a division, there's a normal logarithm that we can do that looks like the first one, but it's now logarithm of this divided by logarithm of this. Now it is still similar. Like I said, you have to still use the laws of logarithm. Now how do we go about this? Now let's take the numerator first. Now if you are subtracting two logarithms according to rule 2, rule 2 says if you are subtracting two logarithms, then you divide the numbers. So from here we are subtracting two logarithms, log 6 base 2 minus log 3 base 2. So if you are subtracting it using that rule 2, then it's going to be log 6 over 3 divided by 2. You take one logarithm and the base, then you divide the numbers. Then look at this now. There is a problem a little, but not really a big problem. But before you can apply that subtraction rule here, you have to make sure there is no number in front of the log. So that means you find a way of getting the number out of this place. So how do we get that number out of this place? We are going to use rule 5. Yes, in that rule 5, if there is a number in front of the log, that means you can take it up. So if it's like this, you can take it up. If it's like this, you can do it like this. If it's like this, you can do it like this. So you apply that rule 5 in reverse. So let's apply rule 5 in reverse. Now what does that mean? So that means these two will go up. So if these two go up, we have log half raised to power 2. Log half raised to power 2. So if we divide this, 3 in 6 is 2 already. So there we have log 2 base 2. We have log 2 base 2 for the numerator. Then here we can now, okay, before we apply that rule 2, we have log 8 base 2 minus log, so this one is 1 raised to power 2, that's 1, divided by 2 raised to power 2, that's 4. That's one of the laws of indices. Now you have to merge indices and logarithm together. You need to be well grounded in indices for you to understand logarithm to a certain extent. So I advise you watch the indices video before you do this logarithm. If you've not done that, please quickly go back and watch the indices video, understand indices, then come back to logarithm. Now let's continue because we just applied indices rule here. So from here, there is a law of logarithm that says if the number and the base are the same, then your answer is 1. That's rule 3. So this is log 2 base 2. So the answer here will be 1. And there is a rule that says if you are subtracting two logarithms and you notice that the base are the same, then divide the numbers. So two logarithms that have the same base, they have log base 2. So you just divide the number. So this will be 8 divided by 1 over 4. 8 divided by 1 over 4. So now you see that the numerator here is a fraction. That's why I'm putting the division here. So 8 divided by 1 over 4. And anytime you are dividing a fraction like this, there's a rule, a general rule in maths. If you are dividing, division changes to multiplication. And if division changes to multiplication like that, the denominator goes up, the numerator comes down. So there will be reversal. Denominator goes up, numerator comes down. So this is 8 times 4 over 1. So this becomes 1 over log 8 times 4, that's 32. Now we can still do something about this. Obviously we are not going to stop there. So from there now, we can express 32 as a multiple of 2. Like in the first one, I said if you want to break logarithm down, you check the base. The base will determine how you break it down. Now this 32 is, you multiply 2 by itself 5 times, you get 32. 2 by itself 5 times, you get 32. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32. So that means this 32 is 2 raised to power 5 in indices. So from here, this is going to be 1 over, we apply one of the rules of logarithm here. One of the rules of logarithm, the rule that we are going to apply is rule 5. Now if a number has a power, the power goes to the front of the log. So from here, this is going to be 5 times log 2 base 2. And if the number and the base are the same, according to rule 3, if the number and the base are the same, so this will be 1 over 5 times 1. Log 2 base 2 is 1, and 5 times 1 is 5. So that means the answer to this is 1 over 5. Please, I want you to go over this video multiple times. I'm sure you are going to understand it. So we'll see another question in the next video.